What not to do in San Jose, California. When visiting San Jose, California, there are several things you might want to avoid to have a safe and enjoyable experience. Don't disregard traffic rules. San Jose, like many large cities, has its fair share of traffic. Obey traffic laws, including speed limits and signals, to avoid accidents or fines. Avoid leaving valuables in your car. Car break-ins are unfortunately common in certain parts of San Jose. Don't leave valuables visible in your car, and consider parking in well-lit areas or parking garages. Don't wander into unfamiliar neighborhoods at night. While San Jose is generally safe, it's wise to avoid unfamiliar or poorly lit areas at night, especially if you're alone. Don't underestimate the weather. San Jose can get quite hot during the summer months and chilly during the winter, so be prepared with appropriate clothing and stay hydrated during hot weather. Avoid getting lost without a map or GPS. San Jose is a large city with many winding streets and neighborhoods. Make sure you have a map or GPS to avoid getting lost, especially if you are not familiar with the area. Don't ignore personal safety precautions. Keep your belongings secure, be aware of your surroundings, and trust your instincts if you feel unsafe in any situation. Don't be disrespectful of local customs and cultures. San Jose is a diverse city with residents from various cultural backgrounds. Be respectful of local customs and traditions, and avoid behaviors that may be offensive to others. Don't overlook outdoor safety. If you're exploring parks or hiking trails in the San Jose area, be sure to stay on marked paths, watch out for wildlife, and bring plenty of water and sunscreen. By being mindful of these tips, you can help ensure a safe and enjoyable experience in San Jose, California. Find more vlogs at https://www.supats.com. Ready to transform your travel dreams with a sustainable digital income? Launch your digital business in a day with MRR courses. Scale effortlessly with nuBeginning Success. Tribe's comprehensive resources.